Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Folks, this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to have multi parts of this video, so you're only going to see a few minutes here. This video is going to be attached to my website. You can go to my YouTube channel and you can click on the next several videos and watch all of them. Please do on this vehicle. This is a very old, almost 30-year-old classic Impala SS, and you need to watch the videos, look at all the pictures, and listen to everything I say, so I don't have to answer a million questions for everybody. A lot of questions can be asked of this car, so be sure to watch the whole video and watch it all. We don't get older cars very often. I do love them, but I specialize in newer cars, mostly Priuses. You'll see on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel, that's most of what you'll see. But this one came my way, and I've always wanted one of these. I love this car, and I'm so excited to offer it. I'm offering it at what I believe is a fantastic price, partly because I don't know what the demand is for these things. I'm too busy to sit there and study and learn the market. I'm just going to put it out there what I think is a great price and sell it quickly and make a little money on it. I do believe that I could probably get a little more based on just putting it on Marketplace last night and getting 40 people within about 3 hours. But, let me tell you all about it, everything I know, so you can make a good decision. This is a 96. It was one owner up until 5,000 miles ago. It has 117,000. I think the original owner had it to 112. You can get on our website, look at this is driving me nuts. Right here's something I need to fix. SS symbol needs to be tightened. There we go. You can get on my website, click on the Carfax link, which will probably be available tomorrow. If you look at the video today on December 20th, it takes like an extra day for it to link. Look at the Carfax report. It's on there for free. I'll go over it in one of these videos real quickly as well, but get on our website, look at the Carfax report. It was one owner in New York most of its life, so make sure you know that. It is not rusty. But and I've got undercarriage pictures I'm going to be posting. Make sure you look at those. It has some surface rust, nothing detrimental that I can find whatsoever, nothing bad at all. But it was in New York its whole life. Original owner had it most of the mileage, but they sold it some years ago, and it's only had a couple thousand miles put on it since then. What does that mean? I don't know. Make your own decision and conclusion about that. It runs well. I don't see any issues with it, but it is odd that it's been passed for just the last 5,000 miles to about 7 different owners, I believe. We have serviced it, we've checked it out. I own a repair shop, and we check everything as carefully as we can, and I'm finding no issues with it. We did repair a few minor things. I think it had a coolant leak and a few other things. You can call me and ask me for those details. I just got it back from my shop, so we haven't gotten the invoice on it. We spent about $1,100 on knickknacks. I know we are replacing the headlights because somebody forced some aftermarket brighter headlights in there and cracked the backing, so we're going to be replacing the headlights. So let me walk around and show you a few things. On to the next video. Be sure to go to my YouTube page and watch the next video and the next and the next.